Your paycheck just came in. But what if I told you that you might be making the biggest payday mistake without even realizing it? Maybe you've been there before. The money hits your account, and just a few days later, it's gone. The credit card bill arrives, and you find yourself wondering, where did all my money go? If this sounds familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. The truth is, many people get paid and start spending without a plan. It seems harmless, but this habit can keep you stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, never truly feeling in control of your finances. But today, that's going to change. In this video, you'll learn exactly what to do before spending a single dollar from your paycheck. A simple step-by-step guide that can transform your financial life. It may seem like a small change, but these adjustments can make all the difference. So hold off on that impulse spending, and let's get your money in order. You know that sense of relief when your paycheck comes in? The first thing many people do is start spending, paying bills, grabbing a Starbucks latte, buying something they've been eyeing at Target, or ordering DoorDash to celebrate. It seems harmless, but this is the biggest payday mistake, and it can drain your money fast. The problem is that without a plan, your money just disappears. You pay for one thing here, another there, make an impulse purchase, and before you know it, there's nothing left for the rest of the month. And worse, you often have to rely on your credit card to cover the shortfall. Let's say you get your paycheck and decide to treat yourself to a fancy dinner. A few days later, your electricity bill arrives, and you realize you spent more than you should have. Now, you have to put that bill on your credit card and end up paying interest next month. If you want to break this cycle, you need to change how you handle your paycheck. Before spending a single dollar, there's a step-by-step plan that can ensure your money works for you, not against you. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you now. Now that you know the mistake that makes your money disappear fast, let's talk about the solution. If there's one thing that can transform your finances, it's creating a financial routine every time your paycheck comes in. That means deciding exactly where each dollar goes before you spend it. Pay yourself first. Before anything else, transfer at least 10% of your paycheck to your savings account or investments. This ensures you're always building a solid financial future. If you earn $3,000 a month, try automatically transferring at least $300 to your savings account. It may not seem like much, but in a year, that adds up to $3,600, effortlessly. Cover your fixed expenses, rent, bills, insurance. Determine exactly how much of your paycheck will go toward these expenses and set that money aside immediately. Build an emergency fund. If you don't have one yet, start now. Having money saved for unexpected expenses prevents you from relying on your credit card when something unexpected happens. Imagine your car breaks down and the repair costs $500. If you have an emergency fund, you can cover it without going into debt. But without savings, you'd have to charge it to your credit card and pay interest. Set a budget for fun and personal spending. You should absolutely spend on what makes you happy, but without compromising your financial stability. For example, if you love eating out or grabbing coffee at your favorite cafe, don't cut these small pleasures completely. Just set a monthly limit. If your budget allows for $200 in fun spending, you can allocate $50 for coffee, $100 for dining out, and $50 for other small purchases. That way, you enjoy your money without guilt and without harming your finances. By doing this every time your paycheck comes in, you make sure your money is working for you, not the other way around. Now that you know how to organize your money on payday, there's one more thing you need to master: avoiding impulse spending. Because let's be honest, sometimes temptation hits hard, right? That irresistible sale, a dinner out, or a little treat that feels well-deserved. But if you really want to take control of your finances, you need to learn how to resist those impulses. Here are some strategies that actually work. The 24-hour rule. Thinking about buying something that wasn't in your budget? Wait a day. More often than not, the urge passes, and you realize you didn't even need it. Budget for little luxuries. Give yourself permission to spend on things you love, but within a planned amount. That way, you can enjoy guilt-free. Write down your financial goals. Whenever you feel the urge to splurge, look at your goals. Ask yourself, Does this purchase bring me closer to or farther from what I really want? Let's say you're planning a vacation at the end of the year that will cost $2,000. Before making an impulse purchase, think, if I spend $100 on something I don't need right now, will it set me back from my goal? Avoid saving your card details on websites. The easier it is to buy, the more likely you are to spend without thinking. Small obstacles can help control impulses. The key is building smart financial habits that help you stay in control without giving up enjoying life. Now you know. Getting your paycheck isn't a green light to start spending. Before anything else, follow this simple routine. Pay yourself first, cover your expenses, build your emergency fund, and set a budget for fun. Small adjustments on payday can make a huge difference in your financial security. And don't forget the tips to avoid impulse spending. The 24-hour rule, budgeting for small luxuries, keeping your goals in sight. All of this helps you stay in control without feeling deprived. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these tips do you already follow? Or which one are you planning to try? Let me know in the comments. And if this content helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more videos like this. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video.